Hello, this is Nick from Laptop Media, and today we will show you how to open the ASUS ExpertBook B1, B1503. To open this laptop, you have to undo just 4 Phillips head screws. Pop the rear side behind the hinge cover close to the top edges using a lever tool. Pop the top corners, fully pry the back, and work your way around the sides and the front with a thin plastic tool. The bottom plate houses a large dust filter on the inside. Our device is equipped with the default 42 watt-hour battery. You can also opt for a 50 or 63 watt-hour unit for longer autonomous work. To detach it, slide upwards the small metal cap on top to release the battery connector. Wear gloves to avoid potential short circuits. Carefully raise the connector by its sides with a plastic tool. With that out of the way, slide down the 2 metal brackets on the sides of the battery and lift the unit away from the chassis. The capacity is enough for around 7 hours and a half of video playback. Our test was conducted with the Battery Saver preset activated in the Windows Power and Battery menu and the Whisper Fan mode turned on in the My ASUS app. The devices with Intel processor N150 and Intel Core 3N355 have up to 16 gigabytes of soldered DDR5 memory. The other iterations rely on 2 RAM slots. ASUS states that the slots fit up to 64 gigabytes of DDR5, 5600 MHz RAM. However, since the CPU can support up to 96 gigabytes, this laptop likely wouldn't have issues running a larger amount of memory than the official manufacturer's specified limit. The Wi-Fi 6 card is on the right of the M.2 slot compatible with 2280 Gen 4 SSDs. There is another storage slot for 2230 SSDs that is positioned between the fan and the memory zone. The pre-installed NVMe has a small thermal pad from below. There is a long rubber element in front of the slot that prevents the SSD from bending. The cooling comprises 1 fan, a long heat pipe, 1 top-mounted heatsink, and a heat spreader.